Change doesn't mean you have to be fearless. In fact, it's quite the opposite. True change happens when you take action throughout fear. And in doing so, you unlock a deeper kind of courage. One that propels you forward even when the path feels uncertain. Fear can feel like a heavy weight holding you back. A consistent reminder of all that's unfamiliar. Maybe you can't make out what your future looks like. But what if I told you that fear isn't something to avoid or push away? Instead, it can be a gateway to something transformative. Change is often seen as a really big leap, but it doesn't have to be. It can be incremental. Small baby steps that over time lead to a monumental shift. You don't have to be fearless to make progress. You simply need to take action in spite of the fear. Fear at its core is just an emotion. It's not something that you need to control, and it's not something that needs to control you. When you step into fear rather than running from it, you shift your relationship with it. You become the one in control, and with every action you take through fear, you build your courage, one step at a time. Think of fear as your inner ball and chain, tethering you to the past, to old beliefs, and to limiting patterns. But change, that's your opportunity to break free. When you step into the unknown, when you move past the hesitation and the uncertainty, you gain freedom. Not just from the external world, but from the constraints you've placed on yourself. Change invites introspection. It asks you to look within and question what's really holding you back. Often the things we fear the most are the very things we need to face in order to evolve. Those fears aren't walls, they're doors, waiting for you to open new opportunities for growth and transformation. Remember, courage does not mean the absence of fear. It means acting through fear. Courage is the ability to keep moving forward, to trust that you are capable of handling whatever comes your way. It's not about waiting for fear to disappear. It's about making a decision to move despite fear. So embrace your fears. Use them as a portal for growth. Let them guide you towards change, because without action, there is no change. And without fear, well, there is no courage. Take the first step today and remember, your courage grows with every action you take. The journey may not always be easy, but with each step forward, you move closer to the person that you want to be, that you're meant to become. Embrace the fear and watch yourself transform.